The fastest growing team in network marketing have replaced old school prospecting with AI systems. While most people waste hours chasing prospects and doing endless Zoom calls, AI is prospecting and converting prospects from social media, helping new team members launch their business and get into their first enrollments within 6 to 10 days. And AI is helping drive deep duplication in large organizations, all while everybody else is sleeping. I've literally helped thousands of network marketers move past cold DMs, prospecting strangers, using outdated social media tactics that don't work, and help to move them into top earner status in this space. And when you see this, you'll never work your business the same way ever again. In this video, I'll show you how to start building AI powered enrollment and duplication systems that work 24/7 while others burn out trying to keep up. The fact of the matter is, the industry is splitting in two. Old school, which is still teaching outdated tactics, make a list of 100, cold DM, home parties, and even a lot of social media tactics that are no longer working. And then there's the new school world, who are the early adopters using AI systems to attract, automate, and duplicate. Less than 1% of network marketers are actually using AI tools effectively. And it's not about being techie, it's about being efficient and having AI implement on your behalf 10 times better than you can today, using only your words. Now, I know a little bit about this because I'm actually an MIT graduate. I went to MIT as an undergrad and studied computer science. I studied AI. And honestly, it was one of the most boring classes and topics that I ever took. I was convinced that AI would never be a thing because of how primitive it was at the time. It was really, really disappointing. And even when ChatGPT came online a few years ago, it still couldn't write social media posts or create marketing content as well as I could. And so I thought, well, at least it gives us a starting point and allows us to kind of get 50, 60% of the way there. And then earlier this year, I learned how to create custom AIs. And one of the first things I did was I gave it a bunch of info about my business, gave it some knowledge, some training, and some resources that I put together for my students and my team. And I had it write a video script for me. And after it gave me the script, my jaw literally dropped. I had to admit to myself that it actually wrote this script better than I could have done it, even if I had weeks to craft it. And then I started testing other things. I got really excited. I was like, how can it perform with social media posts or ads? The verdict, way better and way faster. How about Reels and TikTok videos and ideas and scripts and caption content for lead generation? Well, way better, way faster. And I was shocked as to just the quality of content and the creativity that it produced. And then I was like, let's see if an AI can help my team members or my students respond to prospects by just having the AI read messenger conversation and tell my student or my team members how to respond to that prospects. And so I fed it some training, I fed it some information that would kind of guide it. And again, blown away. It can literally help a new person or an experienced person respond very effectively to prospects that are in Messenger and get them over the line. It was pretty mind blowing. And then building team duplication systems and automation. What used to take months in terms of building those systems now can actually be done in 30 minutes or less. And the thing I was really blown away by was having AI actually coach a new team member through anything. Like, it is now possible to actually create a custom AI that can coach your team 24/7, hold their hand with the patience of a Canadian, and you not be involved at all. If they have questions about where to find a certain resource, the AI can help. If they have a question on how to write a social media post for a certain purpose, the AI will do it better than they can. So it was truly mind blowing. And so before I show you the Seeds AI systems that we use, I want to go deeper as to what's possible, because this is what AI can unlock for you. Here's what your business starts to look like. So let's first talk about AI powered social media content. Now, we all know that with social media, consistency and value builds trust, right? But creating content daily is hard, requires a lot of discipline, especially if you're new. Well, the pre trained custom AI tools will literally ask a new person questions about their background, target audience, their business, and then brainstorm and write posts, generate images, and create viral reels and TikTok videos literally in seconds, even if the person that is interacting with the AI has zero social media experience or zero network marketing experience. And I'm not talking about giving you prompts or you giving your new team members prompts. I'm talking about an AI tool that actually prompts you and can ask you questions and knows exactly what to do with that information without you having to know anything about prompts. One of our students, Candace, generated over $5,500 in product sales from her first 3 social media posts ever on her personal profile, and the content was AI generated. Or Helen, a leader who's gone viral on TikTok and Reels with videos between 300,000 to 1.1 million views. AI is actually a big part of how she gets 30 days of content done in a single hour per month. Now, let's talk about social media automations, because now that's possible. With social automations, instead of chasing leads, AI helps you attract and pre-qualify them while you sleep. And this is not just about content creation or generation. AI can literally reply to social media comments, initiate conversations with interested prospects in Messenger, and actually have full blown sales conversations at a high skill level with prospects and close them for you or even book them on your calendar automatically without you doing anything. For example, one of our clients, Brandon, he had a video go viral on Reels that generated over 3,475 comments. Automation replied to every single comment, interacted and exchanged messages in Messenger, and he was able to convert over 1,300 leads to his email and SMS list for follow up. He, 2 weeks into the process, has closed 10 life insurance deals so far. Or another student, Julie Warner, who's leaned into automation fully and has grown an email list of 6,700 leads over the past year, generated over 422 customers on autopilot, and has built a six-figure business in record speed. Or let's talk about AI-powered duplication systems. Imagine all the things you're constantly finding yourself repeating over and over again to your team, and all that gets handled by AI. Or onboarding a new team member, getting them started, giving them the lay of the land, helping them in launching their business and telling them exactly what to do. Imagine all of that being handled by AI. How much time would that save you? How much of your time could you recoup? I'm guessing probably about 80% of your time that you spend coaching is probably spent repeating yourself. Or let's say you having an AI with knowledge of the team systems across the profession can literally look into the businesses of other people who are successfully building online and making recommendations for you on how to update your system, enhance it, fix whatever's wrong with it or not working. For example, one of our students, Beck Sadek, went from being an overwhelmed six-figure earner, ready to quit due to burnout, to a multiple seven-figure earner with a team of over 180,000 people. And it's all due to her systems. And she's actually one of the first leaders in all of network marketing to actually build a custom AI support system for her team, which has instantly freed up her time. Or Megan, who rebuilt a multiple six-figure business in 9 months after leaving her old company and starting a new, hitting diamond in record speed because she had these systems and was also leveraging a custom AI to support her team and answer their questions. You're no longer just prospecting or doing the old stuff. You're building a system that does a lot of the thinking and heavy lifting for you, converts prospects and holds their hand as they get started with you and gets them into predictable results right away, even if they have zero social media or network marketing experience without you being involved at all. The main reason network marketers are not using AI is simply due to a lack of understanding. If what I'm sharing makes sense and you're thinking it's time for you to use AI in your business and leverage modern strategies and systems, I'd love to help you. We've helped thousands of network marketers implement our proprietary self-generating enrollment and duplication systems, AIs or seeds, to attract prospects on social media, launch lead gen systems, and build team duplication systems without the constant hustle, rejection, or burnout. So just click the link in the description to schedule your strategy session. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to start you on your AI Quick Start Plan. And this is a way for you to be able to implement a social media strategy or a recruiting strategy and be able to do it and execute it at a higher level than you can right now. This is literally like going to your future self and having your future self a year or two from now implement something on your behalf. And we're going to use this dirty AI method, which isn't that dirty, but it's pretty fast and anyone could do it. So step number one is you need a ChatGPT account. I recommend a Plus membership. It's $20 a month, highly worth it for what you're able to get out of it. So that's step number one. You use ChatGPT. Step number two is you want to gather documents, training documents on whatever you're currently learning. And the more information, the better. If you can get video transcripts, awesome. Slide handouts given to you that's in a PDF, any sample script, if it's some sort of prospecting, how to talk to prospects training. And these are things that your upline or a mentor you might be working with is giving you as part of their training. Hopefully they're giving you some documents that'll guide you. That's what you can actually put into AI. And so you're going to take those documents and then you're going to go into ChatGPT on the left side and click on new project on the left sidebar. You're going to name the project, and under add files, there's a button there, upload these documents. The documents need to be in text format, Word document, or PDF. Don't do any other formats. And the goal here is to basically train the AI with these documents. Now, the next thing is once you're in the project and you've done this, on the top right of your screen or your browser, you're going to see a symbol that's literally just 3 dots. It almost is invisible, but it's there. Click on that and select edit instructions after you click on it. Here, you're going to tell the AI to study the documents you just gave it, and you want to actually explain to it in as much detail as possible what you want it to help you with. If you're wanting help with social media, tell it that you need to write social media posts for Reels or TikTok or whatever format, or ask it how to respond to a prospect, that you need help responding to prospects and you want to train it. And these are the documents that your upline or your mentor gave you on how to effectively do that. Or you can tell it to give you a script for reaching out to warm prospects You can even start a new chat in that project and ask it to write the instructions for itself and copy and paste that into the edit instructions area. After some testing, you should be good to go and you can create as many of these projects as you want. Now, at this point, you basically have created a specially trained AI to help you with whatever the documents were about. Basically, an AI assistant specializing in what you might not be able to do at a high level right now. But AI is a quick study of whatever training documents you give it. Plus, it has access to the internet and has this massive repository of knowledge. And this is a quick and dirty yet highly effective way for you to be able to implement at a high skill level what you may not be able to do right now. Now, the next step is choosing to be a professional. While this approach may help you implement something at a more advanced skill level than you currently do it on your own, do all you can to learn the skill yourself. Sometimes AI does hallucinate or misunderstand things. The input also matters. If you are giving it documents and instructions on, let's say, doing old school network marketing, then that's what it's going to give you. It's going to have you implement something at a high level, but it's still old school and probably won't be as fun, even if you're using AI to produce that content. If you want to earn a professional 6 and 7 figure income, then you need to learn a professional 6 and 7 figure skill set, and you can enhance it with AI while you're ramping up. It's critical that you learn a more modern approach to building a network marketing business and use AI to help you implement at a higher skill level while you're learning the skills. And this can include setting up systems and automation for your business. But you don't want to wait to start using AI. The worst thing you can do is wait 6 months to start, because the people who start now are already building momentum while others are literally burning out. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to replace the parts of your business that are slowing you down, even if that part is literally the fact that you're a newbie and you don't have the skills yet. And the network marketers who adapt now will dominate in this next era. If you're ready to start implementing these AI strategies in your business, book a call with my team using the link in the description. We'll help create a customized AI implementation plan for your specific business and show you how our students are building teams of thousands using these exact systems. Finally, if you want to keep learning right now, check out my video on how to recruit business builders in network marketing. In that video, I break down a simple process our students use to attract serious team builders, not just product users, so you can scale faster with the right people. Take care.